How to join Kik's partner program. Here's what you want to do. Google search for Kik partner program and click on the first website that pops up right here. It is going to look a little something like this, and it's going to show us this: join our premium Kik partner program. So how can you do it? I'm going to scroll down a little bit, and how can you become a Kik partner? You will need to follow the rules. You want to read and follow Kik's terms of service, adhere to the community guidelines, comply with the DMCA policy, and abide by the Kik partner program terms and conditions. You will also need to have a verified Kik channel before applying. You will need to complete your about section and link relevant social media accounts to your profile. So for example, if you're streaming somewhere else and you want to hop over to Kik, then you will need to provide that. And you will need to also meet the streaming requirements. You will need to have streamed for at least 30 hours and have at least 250 unique chatters in the last 30 days, have at least 25 active subscribers and at least 250 followers, and maintain an average of 75 concurrent viewers. So if you meet that criteria, you will click on apply now, which is going to open up Outlook in my case, and it's going to make me write an email. And here you will just explain that you're writing to join the Kik partner program. You will explain where you stream, what your history is, and basically this is going to be, make sure you write this professionally, because this is going to be in a way like a job application. So you just fill this out and then you will send this, and if you get approved, you will receive a message back on your email address. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.